Maybe then we won't know if we're up or down.